we are. This thing is a beast. I can barely fit it in the frame of the camera. Got a massive lift on it. Need a stepping ladder just to get inside. Alrighty, this video is going to be over the inside. Keep in mind it has not been detailed yet. She's a little bit dirty. Another little spit shine won't fix. Step one. Hop in here. Sweet. Aftermarket stereo. And this does come up. So you'll have a third seat. Cup holders galore. Leather's in great shape. Vehicle is definitely a non-smoker. Don't have to worry about any burn holes or smoke smell or nothing. Let's check out the back. There's your four-wheel drive. Look at all that space. You got kids, you don't have to worry about them swinging your legs and kicking the back seat. Here, let's hop up, take a look at the front. One more time. Let's better look at the dash. There you go. Excellent, excellent. Okay, hop on down one more time. Oh. There you are, sprayed in bed liner. Looking good, man. Ah. Woo! Absolutely massive. Yep. Let me know what you think.